now that you hit a couple, you said that you had problems fading it. So is that your miss? Ball flight going left to right? You
Yeah.
sometimes get the hook going. What tends to be your miss hit?
With my irons, my miss hit seems to be a little bit to the right. I would say it's more of a block with a fade.
Okay, so it starts right and kind of leans more left
Yeah.
right after that.
Yeah, and then if I'm not blocking it, I seem to be pulling it pretty hard with a hook.
Okay. All right. All right. So is that your miss? Is that your go-to right there?
A little miss.
Okay.
I don't think I quite got my hands through, which means I might not quite have gotten my hands inside at the top of the swing.
Okay.
But it wasn't a miss my bunch.
Okay. If you hit your perfect shot, what does it look like in your ball flight?
Used to be a nice little draw, but now it's more of a fade.
Okay. So do you want to get back to that draw, or do you want to try and play that little fade?
I'd like to try and get back to the draw if possible.
Okay.
I like a draw on a drive.
Okay. Perfect. All right. So go ahead and get set up. What's kind of been the issue?
My consistency on distance, and sometimes I feel like I get the ball too low. I don't get it up in the air. I've always been told that you want to have the ball roll, but I think I'll get the ball rolling too much sometimes, and I don't get the right distance on the height.
Okay.
So I end up too long or gets a weird kick because of hitting the fringe or something like that.
Okay.
I think opening the club face definitely made a difference. I mean, I think if we look at my first few ball flights, they're all right. They got the job done, but this just gets the ball up in the air and it prevents the ball from moving much further than landing.
Right.
And then obviously I think I was swinging a little bit outside in, but you said overdo it.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that makes the big difference because that really allows you to get your hands coming through at contact to get that ball up even better.
Right.